In this bonus lecture, we will discuss strategies for staying motivated and accountable on your personal development journey. Staying motivated and accountable on your personal development journey can be a challenging task, but it is crucial for achieving your goals and aspirations. One effective strategy for staying motivated is setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals that are already discussed. These goals should be challenging but realistic, and should align with your values and priorities. Another key aspect of staying motivated is having a clear vision of what you want to achieve, and visualizing yourself achieving it. This can help you stay focused on your goals, and can help you stay motivated even when things get tough. Accountability is also a crucial aspect of personal development. Having someone to hold you accountable, whether it be a friend, family member, or professional coach, can help you stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Another effective strategy for staying motivated and accountable is setting regular check-ins with yourself. This can be done by scheduling regular review sessions, where you reflect on your progress, identify areas for improvement, and set new goals. Another way to stay motivated is by tracking your progress and celebrating your successes. This can help you stay motivated by seeing the progress you are making and help you stay focused on your goals. Finally, it's important to remember that personal development is a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process of self-improvement, and it requires patience and persistence. Be kind to yourself and don't be too hard on yourself if you don't achieve your goals as quickly as you hope. Remember that setbacks and obstacles are a natural part of the journey, and the key is to learn from them and keep moving forward.